Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we've got an exciting new product for the 61 through 66 Ford trucks. Are you tired of worrying about scratches on your project's hood caused by emblem installation? Do you want to keep water and debris from getting behind your emblems? Introducing our new custom hood emblem mounting pad for the 61 to 66 Ford trucks. This pad fits the F100 through F350 models. This pad features a raised beaded edge that protects your paint from being scratched during installation. The raised edge also seals out water from behind the emblem, ensuring your paint remains pristine and undamaged. Installation is easy, and this pad gives your emblem a clean and finished look and adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle. Upgrade your ride with our hood emblem mounting pads and give your truck a clean and custom look. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.